folks are tired, it's your turn. You are going to teach us how to be tolerant. You are going to teach us so many things. You have learned enough culture, now it's your turn to teach us good things.
Thank you, Uncle.
I also want to comment on one thing. Because the North American Sindhi scholarship. Asa Tamas Gadayu, Tamas SYNA, Panjo program Tayo, and we will support you 100%.
Thank you.
I think immediately what we can do is, a lot of us here in this room, either we work in companies, or we are in an executive position, or we own the companies. I think immediately what we can do is organize an internship program. Yes. And we can, and I promise that I would sponsor 1 or 2 persons from your group. So you have to determine and you have to coordinate that, and others do that as well. So internship doesn't have to be in the same town where you live in, because that you may be restricting your opportunities. Right. So A is internship program, and B internship is sponsorship program. So if you have to, summer, especially summer, if you have to leave town and go to some company where you really would like to work, or in the line of work that you want to pursue, I think that would be a wonderful thing. So this is just an idea. Please develop on it, make a plan, and submit it to us, and we'll work with you. Yes, absolutely.
Number day or no?
Of course.
Thank you to everybody. He नौजवान जो कि तख्त पे बैठा है, ना सब ज़बरदस्त कम कर रहे थे, ऐसा भी के ऐडो मज़ा है। Okay. तमाम ही चंदस नफ़क़त तांग के और सब ही youth session जो को आए, so फ़क़त youth जो ना है। As has been said, the youth have picked up what they know from the elder generation. And if the elder generation is not present, if the elder generation does not make its presence felt, not only at a session but in life, on a day-to-day basis, हकीकत में असी सब सिंधी जगह आयूं, सब सागे माता जा ॿार इंडिया जा सिंधी जगह आहिनि, पाकिस्तान जा सिंधी जगह आहिनि, हर की दुनिया जे मुल्क जा जेके सिंधी आहिनि, वो सब हिक माता जा ॿार आहिनि. So we are all friends, we are brothers and sisters, we all have a very strong connection to one another, yet we are not connected. That is the reality of it. It is an unfortunate reality. Yesterday, Kala Adbi, Sindhi Adbi session, in which much poetry was recited, poetry that was so rich and so deep that it's even hard for people of 50 years or 60 years old to understand. Now, there's no way that people who are young enough of our age or of their age can understand that if people are not there, if the young and the elder generations don't meet. So as long as the elder generation continues to speak and imbibe this pride and also follow through with the practical aspects, values, if you imbibe those within your children, only then can you actually expect that after you pass on one day, which everybody will, only then can you expect that these programs, not only scholarships for young Sindhis in America, but also for Sindhis in Sindh, and people who have dire needs more than we do for water and literally clean air and education, only then will those people who actually have those needs get that when the younger generation gets from you what they need. But if they don't get it from you, they will be a lost bridge that will not have anything to pass on. So I commend all of you on doing what you do, and I hope that you continue this and pass it on to your friends.
Viju, tell your name and who you are. Tell your name and who you are.
Viju nalo hai Viju Sidhwani, and you are.
Kahan cha kanda hai? Hittan jai aayo. Thank you. So, ना वॾे में वॾी ॻाल्हि त हितां जो चावल ऐं अहिड़ी साफ़ सिंधी ॻाल्हाइनि, वरी तव्हां
मेन शइ
One more question.
इहा मेन शइ सिंधी ॻाल्हाइण जेकॾहिं असां सिंधी ॻाल्हाइण
देखिए मुझे वाला ये डायरेक्ट ॾिसो था कि के ज़माने में असां ठाहीसीं मुकाई मां महिनत कई सभिनी महिनत कई हाणे तव्हांजो वारो अचणो वारो आहे ये असांजा जेके ॿार आहिनि